Welcome! In front of me I have FOSSIL Carlyle GEN 5 and I'm gonna show you how to uninstall the applications on this device. First we need to wake up the screen on our watch. To do it, press the middle button. Then we need to swipe down from the top of the screen to open the quick panel. Here tap on the settings icon. In settings, let's scroll down and select the option called apps and notifications. Here, let's tap on app info. Wait until the list of apps is done loading, and here we have the list of apps installed on our watch. We have normal apps and the system apps. Select the app you want to uninstall from this list. For example, I'm gonna tap on calculator, and here we have a few options. As you can see, we have uninstall right here at the top. Let's tap on it and then tap the check mark to confirm and uninstall our app. After a few seconds, it should be gone from this list. Also should be gone from the app menu. As you can see, there's no calculator. We can also remove the Telegram, so let's go back to settings, apps and notifications. App info, find the Telegram and tap uninstall, then tap the check mark to confirm. And after a few seconds, it's gonna be uninstalled. And that's how you uninstall the applications on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.